Hi all, welcome to this channel. My name is Viren and in this video we are going to understand and learn about a numeracy topic that year 3 students are generally expected to know. I have mainly divided this section into two parts, understand and learn and the practice questions. So as part of the understand and learn, we will go through some examples of questions and we will have practice question to solve. So as part of the introduction of the whole numbers are the numbers that includes all counting numbers and zero. And when we see what are the counting numbers are the numbers which starts from 1 and then goes on forward 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So coming to the whole numbers, they start from 0 and then all counting numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. As we now know what are the whole numbers, so let's see some questions on the same. So the first question is, what whole number comes just after 5? And we have the options as A, B, C, and D. Now, it should be very simple to give this answer as option B, which is 6. However, let's check it out in the number chart as how we can get the value 6 from 5. So on the number chart, as you can see, we have highlighted the number 5 and the next number after 5 is 6, and so the answer is 6. Now 6 is basically an option B, so the answer is B. The second question is, what whole number comes just before 37? A 35, B 39, C 36, and D 40. So let's see on the number chart how can we get the answer. So we have to find a number before 37. So let's see what is number before 37 is 36. So the answer is 36, which is option number C. So we need to select the option C. Now the next question is, which number is 10 less than 78? And the options are A 67, B 88, C 87, and D 68. Now I will pause for a few seconds if you can try and give the answer by yourself. Okay, now let's see the chart and see where is the number 78. So number 78 is at the bottom, which is highlighted, and 10 less is basically 68. So the option is 68D. So option is D, and that is our answer. Now the next question. What is the third whole number after 15? The options are A 17, B 18, C 12, and D 16. I'll pause for a few seconds so that you can try giving the answer. Okay, now let's look at the chart. So let's identify the number 15 on the chart, and we need to count 3 from 15. So 15 to 16, 16 to 17, and 17 to 18. So our answer is 18, which is option number B. Next question. Find the missing number in the sequence. And the sequence is 20, 23, blank, 29, 32, 35. And the options are A 24, B 25, C 26, and D 27. I'll pause for a few seconds so that you can try to give the answer. Okay, Let's look at how we can solve this question. So the sequences we are given is as follows. And if you observe the difference between the each number in the sequence is of 3 or plus 3. So since it is increasing, it is plus 3. And so we also have to find from 23 what is plus 3. So 23 plus 3 is 26. So our answer is 26, which is option number C. Now the next question. Which number is closest to 35? And the options are A 31, B 40, C 32, and D 37. I will pause for a few seconds so that you can try to get the answer. Okay, let's start to solve the question. So let's identify where is the number 35 on the chart. And if you see, we have marked the options on the chart, and now compare which one is the closest. Now closest also means the nearest to that number. So we need to find the number nearest to 35. So if you see, 31 and 40 are the furthest. So they are not our options. So now we left are 32 and 36. If you see, to get 35 from 32, we have two numbers in between, whereas between 35 and 37 only one number. So 32 is also not an option. So answer is 37. So our option is option D, 37. Till now we have gone through the introduction and reviewed some questions. Now following 10 questions are for practice. The solution to those questions will be at the end. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.